Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, major overhead electrification project for rail traffic movement inaugurated at SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant. SAIL RSP to provide financial assistance to students pursuing professional courses. Now, the news in detail. A major overhead electrification project, OEP, for rail traffic movement was inaugurated at SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, RSP, by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO, on 13 November 2020. Mr. P.K. Dash, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge, MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM F&A, Mr. T.T. Lahari, CGM TNRM, and other senior officers of the plant were present on the occasion. The program was organized in strict adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines. Notably, the 25 kV overhead electrification project executed by the Projects Department and Traffic and Raw Material will help the company introducing demurrage charges substantially. It is worth mentioning here that the raw materials used in the steel making process come by the rail route. The Traffic and Raw Materials T&RM department of the plant looks after the internal transportation of the raw materials. Earlier, RSP loco engines used to pull the loaded rakes from Bondamunda Exchange Yard to different unloading facilities at Ore Wedding and Blending Plant, OBBP, New Coal and Coke Yard, NCCY, and Coke Ovens Department of the plant. After the introduction of engine on load EOL system in the Indian Railway, the railway's electric engines became an integral part of the rake. However, due to non-availability of OEP, a RSP diesel locomotive engine had to pilot the wagons along with the railway engine. Notably, the demurrage charge of EOL system is much higher than its earlier system. Hence, RSP took up the overhead electrification job on a priority basis to facilitate smoother engine movements. With the completion of the project, the railway electric engines now can enter directly to the unloading points without the need of RSP pilot diesel engines. The new system will help RSP to improve logistics and save substantial cash flow. The new system will help RSP to improve logistics and save substantial cash outflow in terms of demurrage. It will also facilitate better rationalization of resources. Like previous years, this year too, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP will provide financial assistance to 20 students enrolled in graduation studies and 10 students who have joined post-graduation studies in various professional courses in the academic year 2020 and 21. The top 10 boys and top 10 girls enrolled in graduation courses in engineering, medical or agriculture, including integrated or dual degree MTech course, and best 10 students comprising 5 boys and 5 girls from post-graduation courses of at least 2 years duration in engineering, medical, agriculture, business administration will be selected from amongst the eligible applicants. The student should belong to either scheduled caste or scheduled tribe or other and should be a resident of Sundargarh district, Odisha. The student whose parents taken together are having annual income from all resources not exceeding rupees 2,50,000 shall be eligible for the financial assistance. The amount of financial amount is rupees 1,20,000 for the graduation courses of 4 years duration, rupees 1,50,000 for courses of 5 years duration, and rupees 60,000 for the post-graduation courses per student for entire duration of the course. The amount will be released in equal yearly installments based on documentary evidence of continuation in the course. For further information, the students may contact the CSR department of RSP at Institute for Peripheral Development, Sector 20 during office hours. The last date for submission of application form is 31st January 2021, last date by 4 p.m. With this, we come to the end of this edition of News Bulletin. Namaskar.